Okay, I got my new Madigan roll cage yesterday. I got a call that it was done, so I drove over there and picked it up. I put my razor on the trailer and they lifted it up and put it on the car for me, but they didn't bolt it in. I'll tell you, bolting it in was a pain. These holes did not line up. I'm sure they make these cages on a jig, but each one of these cars is a little bit different when they make it, so man, it was a pain. But I finally got him in, and I got my new doors, and I was gonna put those on yesterday too, but I got too tired after all that work. This rear bracket was really hard to get in. It didn't really line up that good down here on either side. So it's been a while fixing that up, trying to get that on, but I got tired and I stopped. I might do the rest today. But yeah, I'm really happy with this cage. It's a lot better than that Pro Armor cage I had on it. I have some carbon fiber wrap I'm going to put on the doors. I might just leave them plain with that carbon fiber and take off these other graphics. I'm not sure. And of course my windshield doesn't fit on the front. Yep, there goes the tape. I had it taped there just to see what it looked like. I have one of those particle filters that's going to go on there. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm happy with it. Next thing will be the spare tire carrier, because I have a Pro Armor and it bolts right to here on each side, and it looks like this won't work. So I have to buy their spare tire carrier. I think it's like 450 bucks. But yeah, it's getting there. Then after that, put these on. These are high clearance rear radius arms. Those are going to go on. And I got to get some front A arms, the high clearance, made by Super ATV. They're like 600 bucks, 650. Those are going to go on. And then new seats. These stock seats are a joke. I was at the Overland Expo in Flagstaff on the weekend, and they had a razor with some different seats in it. I sat in it. What a difference. The seats are unbelievable. It makes you realize how bad these seats are, these stock ones. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked with my new cage. Yeah, I can't wait to get it finished.